Hello, if you don't have any degree, if you didn't secure your IELTS examination, and if you have already crossed your age limit, like if you are from crossed like 45, you are like if your age is like 50 or 55 or 60, so you can apply for this work visa, Finland work visa, and the processing time of this visa will be only 10 days. The government of Finland, they really need a talented people in capital city of Finland, like they really need Helsinki, city capital city. They really need the talented people, and there is no IELTS required, no age limit, and only you can get this visa in 10 days. If you really want to move to Europe and Shenzhen, and if you really want to work in the capital city of Finland, and if you really want to make 75,000 or 45,000 or 1 lakh and 10,000 euro per annum, so you are in the right video, you are in the right place, and if you will watch this video till end, you can easily apply and you can easily avail this particular opportunity. And a lot of people, they are struggling in the wrong way. So here, if you will follow these particular rules, this particular method, so you can easily move to Finland in 10 days, only in 10 days, because government of Finland, they really need a talented people in different sector, and they will help the Finland employers, the Finland companies. They will facilitate to bring people to Finland and to manage their workload, because there is a lot of people. They really need 75,000 people. 75,000 jobs are already available in that different sector. All the sector I will discuss, and the requirement of this job I will discuss, and also I will show you the website where you people can easily get your job, and you can move to Finland, Shenzhen, Finland. You can move in only 10 days. So let's start that. The Finland government make a separate portal for this work, which can use for all countries people. And good thing is here, they really want immigrant to come here in Finland. And in this video, I will show you the portal, that portal, and the requirement when you will fulfill, so you can move to. You can easily move to Finland in 10 days. And the main thing of this visa, that if you don't have more qualification, so you can easily apply. It doesn't matter you are qualified or you are unqualified. It doesn't matter. You can easily apply to this particular work visa. They really need talented people. But for that, when you will apply for a work visa in that particular portal, which I will discuss later, and I will give the website in my channel description below. When you will go down, you can easily, when you will click in that portal, you can see a lot of jobs, a lot of there is a lot of jobs are available in Talent Boost program. Talent Boost program, there is a lot of jobs are available, and 75,000 jobs are available in different sector. If you when you will apply for this particular work visa, so for this you need a CV. Everything is just depend upon your CV, that how you can clarify, how you can convince the employer that you know this kind of work. And you need a European style CV. The big requirement, if you really cannot make your European style CV, and if you really cannot convince the employer through your CV, so you can consult with the experienced consultant. They can easily they can easily guide you, and they can easily give you the information regard your CV, that how you can make your European style CV, so it will more important. And visa success ratio is here 92 or 90% visa ratio is for this particular visa. And the beauty of this opportunity, that the government will pay to employer and to help employer for people to bring them into Finland and facilitate them. The visa, your visa cost will be also refundable. If you will success, if your visa will be successful, your requirement will be fulfilled. So they will provide your visa fee as well. It will be refundable. And mostly jobs are available in Finland capital city Helsinki, and D visa category. D visa category will be applied, and when you will apply, you need to recruitment agency, and when you will hire a recruitment agency, so they can easily, they will charge you for this for particular apply. And if you will go to this website and if you will apply for yourself, so go to this description below and get that, click in that particular website, and you will know there is a lot of jobs like in construction field, in IT jobs are available, healthcare jobs are available, engineering related to engineering, tourism. If you have any relations with these field, you can easily apply in this particular scheme. Let me tell you that how much you can earn per annum. So from construction field, you can easily you can easily earn 75,000 euro per annum. And if you are from a healthcare field, so you can easily you can easily earn 1,10,000 euro per annum. And if you are from any other sector, so you can easily you can easily earn 45,000 euro per annum. There is a big chance, there is a big opportunity for all of you guys. Don't miss this opportunity. If you have any issue to apply for yourself, you can contact me. I can help you for this particular website, for the particular jobs as well. And comments me if you really like this particular this video. Please comment me and like, share, and subscribe my channel. It will give it may be a more motivation, it may be motivate me, and I will bring a more important video for all of you guys. Please don't be late. Go to the description and click in that portal and start your future and go to Finland in just 10 days. This is a little bit of particular because everything managed by the government of Finland. So for now, I think this is enough video, and I will bring a new video. And next video, I will bring new important information for all of you people. Take care.